olive oil Spanish kitchen. Some of you have asked me why I don't show my other dogs in the video. Luffy is so nervous. It's like that. Buen chico, Luffy! Luffy, ven aquí! Luffy is afraid. I don't know if it's for the lights, but he doesn't want to come. I want you to see this. Luffy! Oh! Hola! Hola, mi chico! I have here the camera and the lights. Luffy, let's go! Vamos, Luffy! Luffy, ven! Luffy! You can see the door is open. Luffy! I am so surprised because only today it's so quiet in the chair. So today, guys, I bring you a recipe that is too easy. I know that I always tell you the same. Oh, this is a very easy recipe, but it's true. Today we have another stew that is just put the ingredients in the pot and it's ready. The stew that I have for you today, it's a recipe from my mother-in-law. So it's an Andalusian stew. So I hope you enjoy it so much. Remember that if you are not a subscriber yet, you can subscribe just here. And if you like this video, you can give us your thumbs up. And let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 400 grams of chickpeas soaked overnight, 2 handfuls of rice, a chicken thigh, a piece of beef, salted rib, salted bacon and salted bone, celery, carrots and peppermint. We are going to start cooking our salty ingredients in a pot. Cook for about 10 minutes until they release the salt. Peel and chop the carrots and do the same with the celery. Wash it very well and chop it up. I like to remove the strands like this. Fill a pot halfway with water and add the chickpeas, all the meats and the vegetables. Let it cook and remove the foam. I always say the next time I will add the vegetables after remove the foam, but I forget, sorry. So you can add just the chickpeas and the meat, bring to boil, and when you have taken out all the foam, you can add the vegetables, okay? So add the peppermint, a little salt and cover. Cook in the pressure cooker over low heat for about 30 minutes. Open the pot and remove the meats to a plate, taking care to remove all the small bones from the broth. Taste the broth in case it needs more salt. And also take the chickpeas to see if they are tender. Add the rice. You can also add pasta if you like it more. I close it, and when it takes the pressure and the pilot goes up, I turn it off. Throw the bones and spread the meats. I'm putting part of it in a Tupperware because I love croquettes made with this meat from the pot. If you want to see how I make them, click on the link above. The rest of the meat, we will eat it with the soup. So, well, that's it, friends. This pot recipe is very easy and so tasty. I hope you like it. If yes, don't forget to give us your thumbs up, and we will see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye! It's so good.